guys, welcome to my friend here's YouTube channel.
Yes, my YouTube channel is J People. So if you are maybe for your first time, just subscribe, like and comment, and we grow together. Here is my friend.
Yeah, my name is Selevie Nman. My friend came here to visit me to see where I come from. He has been watching my videos for a long time, and he has chosen today to visit me to see where I come from and where I stay. Today I said, let me start from this side where I have my project. This is where I'm going to build my amazing house. The other side, he met me where I rent. But we came here, I told him, let us come here so that we can make a content from this side. So I'm really amazed, and I welcome all the people who will feel like it's good to visit me. I welcome everybody, and I thank God that I can receive visitors as you can see. So guys, my name is Selevie Nman from the village called Anze. Even though I bought land here, that's where I can call my village because I come from Kisii, but I decided to buy land at this side to build my amazing house with my family. Yeah, behind the camera is Patrick, the son, my son, and also I have a daughter, a child who was born like 4 days ago. Yeah, but I thank God because it's a blessing. That's what we wanted also. It has been a long time waiting for the child to come to the earth so that we can celebrate life together. So my friend, what made you maybe to see that you can visit me?
You know, sometimes visiting a friend is a good thing. I may say so. Because first I normally see you at Sirari, Isibania town.
In a video or a live?
Live and in a video. So I just take your number from the YouTube. Then I decide to call you.
You saw me passing there live or you?
Yeah, I saw you passing there at the Ruby station, filling station.
Okay.
You are just carrying a handbag. So I said, that's a man that I normally view his videos at YouTube. So I just say that let me take the number so that we can exchange
ideas.
So I just decide to visit him so that I can learn more.
So we are here, guys. At least now we have a new friend. You can check him out from my side and also from that side. If you see if it's possible, you can also check me out. We are here, and here we are really we thank God that we can manage to do many things, to show you many things here in YouTube, so that you can learn also and see how Africa will do things. So I don't know the type of videos you make.
Maybe I normally make people some jokes. Normally walk around our village or even at my home.
Your lifestyle.
Yeah, my lifestyle.
That's good lifestyle.
Yeah.
You got chicken? Acha tutangalie. Asante.
So I'm doing lifestyles and maybe how we call kitchen home.
Kitchen. Yes, lifestyle. And now, do you travel, or you are planning to travel soon?
I'm planning to travel to Tanzania at a place called Kahama.
So you are a traveler also.
Yeah.
You do lifestyle, you do travel. Yeah. So guys, that's amazing. Those are also the kind of videos that I do. Yeah. Already you have seen my land. This is the place. In the future, if when I finish building, now you can come direct to my home. Yeah. That's why I said let me come bring you here. Yeah. So guys, it's like an introduction to his channel. He has started already. Has something. I've seen you have 168 subscribers.
Yes.
Yeah. For me, I subscribed yesterday.
Thank you.
Yeah. So keep subscribing. Keep supporting him. He will really bring out you amazing videos. Yeah, he's going to work hard, and they tell them maybe how many times you want to bring the videos, daily or
okay, I will upload my video daily. Maybe for my video sometimes we got difficulties here in Africa due to electricity. You know,
you use bundles or
I normally use Wi-Fi. So you may pay sometimes weather weather condition.
Even me, I'm used Wi-Fi. That one also makes me sometimes I don't upload.
Yeah.
So if it is not there, it's when you cannot upload.
Yeah.
But if there's electricity and the Wi-Fi, daily.
Maybe I am maybe I have not. It comes a day. Even I have not upload the video, maybe to 2 days or 3. Just know that the condition is not well. Maybe I will be posting the next 4 days.
Yeah. So guys, me I appreciate. Thank you for visiting me.
Yes.
And I pray next time you keep coming to we share ideas here and there. And also we never know. I might also visit you. You stay in Israel?
Yeah.
Israel border exactly.
No, you just on the way to Selevie. No, Kehancha, it's Bania Highway at a place called Kebru Village.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah.
I need to visit. You know me, I'm new here.
Oh.
I'm not from the village.
So welcome at my village.
I will come.
Village.
I'll visit you so that I also learn some things.
Welcome.
Yeah. Yeah, Patrick. Come near.
Okay.
Also introduce yourself.
Hey guys, my name is Patrick Desan. Please check my channel and comment and like.
Yeah. Yeah, we say goodbye.
So guys, goodbye. Be blessed.
Yeah, thank you guys. God bless you.